Hello everyone, if you want to enable or disable Hey Google on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you're to open up your settings, scroll down to your Google tab right here. Now choose All Services, Search Assistant and Voice, press Google Assistant, and press Hey Google and Voice Match. Now we are to enable our Hey Google, so simply tap on the switch near it and you will be prompted to set it up. So let's press I agree. Press I agree, and now we are to set up our Hey Google. Next, let's press start saving audio. Alright, I agree. Alright, now our Hey Google is on. So let's set it up. Press retrain your voice model, and now you're to repeat these phrases. For example, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain me how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Alright, press next. So now we can use it, so let's try it out. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Prague 10, it'll be cloudy with a high of 36 and a low of 32.
Just like this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.